Right.
sit down with the brethren, you know, because, you know, we spoke when, when I was in Ghana and, you know, keep the link when I went to the UK.
Yes.
And finally get a chance to meet you in the flesh.
Yes.
You know, and I really love, when I came in first and I saw the setup, I said, I love this. This is a model of how we as a people should live. You see, even the welcome and that welcome you give me.
Yes.
Trust me. It's like me know you 1,000 years. You know?
I love, man. You see, me can't even explain it. The first time when Sister Danette link we and we communicate, I'm like, yo, you know, it's so funny, brother was not there now, we might come by next week. But me know say we're gonna link up soon.
Yeah, man, definitely, man. You know, definitely have a link because, you know, I was looking, because even I was, you know, I was saying to my brother, I said, I have some people down here, some brothers down here, I have to.
Yes.
Listen, I would never come to Jamaica and not come and see them. Even though I was busy all over the island and I made my promise and I said, you know, the most I willing, I have to come and see you.
Yes.
You know, and I got up this morning and I said to my brother, you know what, may I go see the Virgin today.
And
you know?
may just pray the most side us multiply everything you do in righteousness and just lift you up and it just continue to be a light.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's like my spirit just bear witness say, yo, this is a brother, hallelujah. You know, and for now, Sister Dana just come to the faith, you know, she got her immersion and she's like, yo, me meet an Israelite, he's just like you. That's what she said, you know.
And the funny thing, when I was in Ghana and, you know, we met up at a mutual friend and happened to be her family. So she was going back to Accra. And the Virgin said to me, say, you know, give her, I live for, it's about an hour and a half drive. Like from here to probably Old Harbour. But that's so we were talking in the car and, you know, she was talking about some stuff and I was listening because we tend to listen to how people reasoning so you can tell them whether they're in the faith, if they're in Christianity, whether they're in, you know, Israelite understanding. And, you know, she was talking, so I said to her, you go to church? And she said, yes. And that's how the conversation started. So I wanted to, you know, I was asking her a certain question and then I said to her about the white Jesus and stuff like that. She said, I know. I have a friend that, you know, give me the understanding and, you know, I said, really? She said, yeah, no. And then she started to explain. I said, okay, somebody teaching her. So that's how, you know, she started explaining, you know, she called her name and said, yeah, man, you know, this is the Virgin that really has shown me certain things. I'm going to say, he's right. I'm going to say, he's correct. You understand? Because listen, I don't know you from nowhere. And if this is right here, your spirit bearing witness.
Yes.
Because if I'm telling you the same thing, somebody who I don't even know telling you the same thing.
Yeah.
You know, that's true you the Most High is working.
Yes.
And she said, yes, because give her a certain understanding. I said, listen, you need to listen to the Virgin because, you know, and she said, you know what, I'm gonna connect you guys together. And I'm like, yes, always.
Yes.
You know.
So now to the children of Israel, just live in love, because look how Taz could link up with somebody who lead me to share with in Jamaica, all the way in Ghana, which I'm getting instruction to go to my yard, you know, which is Ghana. Yeah, ultimately, we will be meeting in New Jerusalem, you know, continuing the path, but a lot of people still in the mindset, they're going to sit down in the captivity and the bad treatment until them just disappear.
Yeah,
no. Yeah. You got to move. You're in America, you're in these places where they made laws to say that you are nothing. You understand? They give you the worst place, them give the worst land. When instead them give we repatriation, they were giving the Europeans repatriation. The slave masters were getting money.
Yeah.
When them say they got slave, them say, all right, you pale face man hold some millions of dollars.
Yeah, man, imagine them pay the man them, when they call it reparation, whatever the word is, them give them that.
And we not get
and
it.
The man who actually do the work don't get nothing.
Yeah, so we have to wake up and just unite and follow the leading of the Spirit. If the Spirit of Yah, the Ruach, leads you to go back to Africa, don't itch, go on. You don't. If you go on YouTube, you see much people say them go Africa with $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and now they have major business. the Most High blessing their labor, their hand.
Yeah, man.
If you go to Ghana, you have over 33 million people to serve. Think about that, people. 33 million people to serve. And you have a lot of people on the ground, like Taz, who will show you what you need to do to get the thing set up.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Network. So, network with your people, family. You understand? And let your communication and your connection be pure. And from your pure and true family,
Honestly, yeah, man, definitely, man, and you know, it's a honor meeting the man.
I'm going to meet you together,
and the brotherhood continue.
Yes,
you know,
shalom.
definitely. You know, what I mean, the Most High people them rise.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, man. Anywhere you're there in the world and you watch this video, trust me, so the Most High powerful. I was in Ghana, was introduced to the brethren. Never met. I went back to the UK. Then I said to him when I was in the UK, I'm coming to Jamaica. And he said, listen, the man was, you know what I wanted to do while I was here? But the time ran out. It was the
spring.
Oh.
Family, I have, you know, me never want to catch the water until you come.
Oh,
because the water finish. We want to drive go to the spring to catch the water.
Yeah.
Because I get my water that I use to make my products straight out of the spring. This spring running for hundreds of years. There's a story behind the spring though.
Is it?
There was a history of 3 deaths. 3 men at different times said, oh, them are going to lock off the water. Them own the place and said them are going to lock off the water. First man died. Second man come and say I'm going to lock off the water. I'm going to box it through and nobody can get it. He died. The third man came and said the same foolishness. He died. Yeah, that's a protect him water source.
Yeah, can't lock it off.
Can't lock it off.
No.
You understand? So, just live in love and live in what we nature.
So how far is the water from here?
About 25 minutes drive.
Seeing. Going back to which way?
Like
you're going back to town?
Senti? No, Senti.
The other way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spiritually. If you want to go there, right, go there now.
I'm not thinking.
Think about it.
Yeah, I'm not thinking about it. Yeah, man, it's you know, that's one of the things I was on my mind. I said, boy, you know, when you was talking about the spring.
You know, you can send the footage if you want. If you want to go,
yeah,
we go, but we can send the footage.
Send me the footage.
All right.
Send me the footage.
Yeah.
Send me the footage because it's amazing, you know. And, you know, I do apologize for coming down at this time. I don't want to come on a day when...
No, me happy. We just want to make sure the food ready before you leave. You can smell this food or cook.
Yeah, man. We see the sister them around here busy. You know, it's a warm welcome, and I do appreciate it. You know,
yes,
honestly, appreciate it. So, where's my? Oh, there it is.
Kinds in tonic.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Definitely. So, how long a bottle like that lasts?
Depends how you take it. It's 16 ounce. You can have 1 to 2 ounce 3 times daily. That's about 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
So me get one of those.
You get one of the measuring cups. One of the measuring cups like an ounce cup.
The instruction.
Oh yeah, you get it to your WhatsApp.
Okay.
So
okay.
WhatsApp
okay.
it to you, and we can send it to your email.
Up to the time. Up to the time.
You can't lose it on your phone.
Yeah. I'll buy one of them, man.
Yeah, man, herbal tonic.
Yeah, man, one of them things too. So definitely, yeah, man. So definitely, people, like I said, give out your contact information again.
All right, family, 876-819-2212, 876-819-2212.
So, you know, like and subscribe to Taz TV, as usual, worldwide. We are world citizen. You understand? We are Israelite. We, the earth, belong to us.
Hallelujah.
You understand? The Most High say made it for us.
Yes.
So remember that. You understand? So Israel, you need to rise. Yasharella need to rise to your position. Take your rightful position as a people, as the people of God. So, you know, don't listen to what people tell you. Oh, no. It doesn't matter. Because I realize in a lot of in Christianity, they say, oh, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, well, if it doesn't matter, then why there's 12 gates for the 12 tribe of Israel? The book of Ezekiel said, everyone that enters through the gates with us will belong to us.
Yes.
Let me say it again. Right. Ezekiel said, everybody will enter through the gate with us will belong to us.
Yes.
So the earth is yours and the fullness thereof, and he has made us the head, and he has made everyone in the face of the earth to serve us in due time. And we're not saying this in pride. We're not saying this upset with the wicked rulers of the earth. The Most High gave the wicked rulers dominion to rule the earth, and their time is coming to an end. So the house of Yasharal will rise, the righteous will descend according to the book of Enoch. It said the righteous will descend from the upper heaven. So when they tell you that aliens will be coming, don't be deceived. The righteous will be descending on the earth.
Yeah, man. So look out. We got more information for you. Because I will keep in touch with this brethren. So any information, anybody link me to the channel, I will send you straight to my brethren here. And you deal with him directly. All right? So peace and love. Shalom.
Shalom, my brother.
Yeah,
more love.
Yes,
righteousness.
yeah, man.
Example of righteousness, follow it, family.
Yeah,
so
man.
we just live, family,
Yes.
natural, just like that.
Every time.
All right, Barak. Yes, my brother.
I love it. 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 I love it.